Hey everybody, Lois Threlko coming to you from our Sizzler networking event. We have some investors here. Here comes one. We have some investors, but I wanted to mention we come here every Wednesday at doors open at 11, and you can come and network. It doesn't matter what kind of investor you are. Buy and hold, fix and flip, lease option, in-state, out-of-state, none of that matters. But yeah, we'd love to see you here. Just buy some lunch and network. Maybe you're a contractor or somebody in the trades or somebody who wants to look and get started, needs some guidance or tips or tricks or education. We're going to have a little presentation here today in about an hour on fix and flip. Lady's done successfully some fix and flips here as well as in different states, so stay tuned for that and talk to you soon. Comment, like, share, subscribe. I'm Lois Threlko with the ladies of Justice League. Here's our amazing server Brenda. She takes good care of us. So come here at the Sizzler on Eyes Boulevard, and talk to you soon. Take care. Comment, like, share, subscribe.